Walnut and black cherry are species more prone to develop burl than others. This black cherry came from a 50-yard diameter grove where almost every tree is affected, and it hit both black birch and black cherry. Everything else has been logged out, but the black cherry on the land immediately adjacent that wasn't logged 35 years ago, none of that birch or cherry has the burl. I suspect the bigger trees shielded the smaller ones from whatever caused the burl, but that's where it gets tricky because burl is some crazy stuff. It can come from almost anything. I asked the internet and learned some individual trees can be more likely to develop burl due to their genes, because some trees have hormonal issues. I'm not making that up. Scientists showed in the 70s that plants listen to you talk and have feelings. Plants have moods, just like cows and other things we eat. Within the last couple of decades, scientists have also studied how meditation and prayer can make plants grow faster or slower for the poor plants starved of love and affection. They can't like the sound of a chainsaw, so I'd like to encourage you to be like me and always make sure to talk nice to the trees. Think about your vibrations. I'll tell a tree flat out, I don't cut living trees, and they settle down after that. I don't want to cause any burl anywhere, but trees especially. Back to the mystery. Burl also forms when a tree is trying to heal itself after some kind of physical external attack. Think pruning, wind damage, insects, or extremely rough environments, which I admit made me wonder if our Pennsylvania mosquitoes are responsible. Burl also can be a response to fungal or bacterial infections. To me, these colors and grain patterns are like living gemstones. They're special because life is special, and as art, they draw the eye so completely and perfectly the only answer can be both the human eye and the burl were created to love one another. Burl can fetch buku dollars, mucho dinero. Seriously high-end burl goes for thousands of dollars per board foot and winds up as a Rolls-Royce dashboard. My burl looks forward to its future as pool cues. This magnificent block is spalted beech, ready to be cut and dried before stabilizing. Next we have spalted curly maple, ready to be cut and dried before being stabilized. And last over here, some mystery wood. I have no idea what this stuff is, but it's really beautiful. While we're looking at the extraordinary, here are a few experiments I have going on. First, I'm working on an ultralight cue design using Devil's Club. Light and super strong. Fuzzy. I'm cutting 6 sticks out of a piece of semi-spalted black cherry. The experiment is that I'm using wood that was standing dead for a long time and drying it while I'm turning it over time. One of my first 1,000 subscribers will win this stick, named Fanfare for the Common Blue. Be sure to read the video notes for more information. The wood is spalted birch with worm and rot holes down to the hickory core, which is blue. The stick features natural red and blue color from the fungus that had it for dinner. I'm making birch and black cherry shafts just because it feels like breaking rules. I like maple as much as the next guy, but damn, the pool community demands a choice. Or maybe not, we'll find out. This humdinger is birch. The black lines are from fungus. I dyed the stick in yellow stabilizer from one end and red from the other. We'll see how well the colors streak into each other. I have 3 live edge sticks ready to core and glue, 2 sassafras and 1 ironwood. I think these sticks are going to be compelling. This is more Devil's Club, much smaller diameter. I aim to seal it and encase it in clear epoxy as a test. I think it'd be badass to have a cue handle you could see through with Devil's Club inside, or a bike chain or a chainsaw blade. Once I prove I can cast epoxy without bubbles, I'm going to fill these pieces so they're solid as a rock and transparent down to the stubble and grubble of this black cherry. That is going to be an exceptional pool cue. Thanks for watching.